1. Things around us. 1. Living and non-living things. Hello children. Living things are organisms that display the key characteristics of life. These characteristics include the ability to grow, reproduce, take in and use energy, excrete waste, respond to the environment, and possesses an organized structure more complex than that of non-living things. Sometimes movement is also as the key characteristic of life, but many living things such as trees, mushrooms, etc. are incapable of movement during some or all of their life stages. A non-living thing is one that lacks the characteristics of life. Thus, they lack the capability for growth, reproduction, respiration, metabolism, and movement. They are also not capable of responding to stimuli and adapt to their environment. In this lesson, you will learn about the different living and non-living things and their features.
Unit 1. Things around us. 1. Living and non-living things. We are surrounded by many things. When we look around, we see so many things like plants, animals, insects, cars, books, buildings, sun, moon, water, hills, etc. They are divided into living and non-living things. Some things such as plants, animals, water, rocks, soil, air, etc. have been provided by nature. They are called natural things. Things such as plants and animals are called natural living things. Things like air, water, rocks, soil are called natural non-living things. All man-made things are also non-living things. Activity. Now look around you and make a list of all the things and divide them into natural living, natural non-living, and man-made things. Features of living things. The different ways in which a thing behaves are called its features. 1. Living things grow. All living things grow on their own. A seed grows into a seedling and then into a plant. An egg hatches into a chick and then grows into a hen. A baby grows into a child and then into an adult. A little puppy grows into a dog. Animals and plants are growing and changing all the time. 2. Living things move. Human beings and animals walk, snakes crawl, birds fly, fish swim, sunflower turns towards the sun. These examples show that living things move from one place to another on their own except plants. But the plants also show movements in certain ways like bending of plant towards light, closing of the leaves, opening of flower petals, etc. Non-living things like stones, hills do not move on their own. 3. Living things breathe. All living things need air to live. We feel uncomfortable when we close our nose with fingers because we need air to breathe in and live.
Plants kept in closed cupboard dry up and die after few days. This shows that plants also need air to breathe and live.
Only living things breathe. 4. Living things feel. When you touch a hot object, immediately your hands move away. Activities. 1. Go outside at noon time and look at the sun. Can you see the sun directly? No. What happens? Our eyes close. 2. At night time, when the power is switched off in kitchen, we can see cockroaches moving all around. When power is switched on, they hide. 3. When you touch the Touch Me Not plant, it shows some movements, that is, folds immediately. 4. Expose the duster or a piece of chalk to the sun. What happens? Nothing. All the above mentioned examples show that all living things, including plants, feel. But a stone or a duster does not feel when touched or pricked with a pin. 5. Living things reproduce. A few animals, all birds and insects, lay eggs. Their young ones hatch out from the eggs. Many animals give birth to young ones. A plant grows from a seed. Does a blackboard produce another blackboard? No. Does a school building produce more buildings? No. It is not possible.
Non-living things do not reproduce. Only living things reproduce.
Therefore, all living things grow, move, breathe, feel and reproduce. Things which cannot grow, move, breathe, feel and reproduce are called non-living things. Let's revise the important points. 1. There are two kinds of things, living and non-living things. 2. Some natural things are living, some natural things are non-living. 3. Living things can grow, feel, move, breathe and reproduce. 4. Things which cannot grow, move, breathe, feel and reproduce are called non-living things. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. What are called natural living things? Give some examples. Answer. Things provided by nature are called natural things. Things such as plants and animals are called natural living things. 2. Give 4 main features of living things. Answer. Growth, movement, breathing and reproduction are the 4 main features of living things. 3. List any 4 man-made things. Answer. Duster, piece of chalk, blackboard and a school building. 4. Why is rock called a non-living thing? Answer. A rock does not grow, move, breathe, feel and reproduce. So, it is called a non-living thing. 2. Fill in the blanks. Conceptual understanding. Three. Put T for true or F for false statements. Conceptual understanding.
You have won. Oh no, do it again. You have won. Oh no, do it again. Oh no, do it again. You have won. You have won.
4. Project work. Ask the students to collect small pieces of 5 living things like leaves, seeds, flowers, stems, roots, and 5 non-living things like stones, sand, soil, etc., and paste them in their project book and name them.